Hey there, coin crafters. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn digital opportunities into real cash. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing method to make money online. Using Google Translate and CPA marketing, imagine earning $30 every 10 minutes. That's $180 an hour just by leveraging simple tools and strategies. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this method is for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started and start making money today. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the star of the show, Google Translate. Now, you might be wondering, how can a translation tool help you make money? Well, it's not about translating documents or writing content. Instead, we're going to use Google Translate to tap into lucrative markets in specific countries. Here's how it works. Let's start with a simple example. I'll type hello into Google Translate and translate it into Spanish. As you can see, it instantly gives me the translation. Hola. This might seem basic, but when combined with CPA marketing, it becomes a powerful tool for generating income. The key is to target offers in countries where competition is low and payouts are high. Next, we need a platform to connect us with affiliate offers. That's where CPA Grip comes in. CPA Grip is a popular affiliate marketing platform where you earn money by getting people to click on links or submit information online. The best part, it's free to join, and you can start earning right away. Let's walk through the registration process. First, head over to CPA Grip's website. Click on the Sign Up button, and you'll be prompted to enter some basic information like your email, username, and password. Once you've filled in the details, click Register, and you're in. It's that simple. Now that you're registered, let's take a look at the dashboard. CPA Grip offers a wide range of affiliate offers, each with different payouts. The key to maximizing your earnings is to focus on offers from countries like Spain, France, and Italy. These countries often have higher payouts because there's less competition among marketers. Here's an example of an offer that pays $28 for each person who submits their phone number for a chance to win a solar generator. That's a fantastic payout for a simple action. By targeting offers like this, you can quickly scale your earnings. Geographic targeting is crucial for this method. By focusing on specific countries, you can tap into markets where payouts are higher and competition is lower. For instance, offers in Spain might pay $28, while similar offers in other countries might only pay $5. The difference is significant, so it's worth taking the time to target the right markets. Now that we selected an offer, it's time to create a promotional ad. Since we're targeting Spanish-speaking countries, we'll create the ad in Spanish. Here's how you can do it. First, write a compelling headline in Spanish using Google Translate. For example, Gana un generador solar gratis, which means win a free solar generator. Next, add a call to action encouraging people to click the link and submit their information. With the ad ready, it's time to place it where it will get the most visibility. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great options. You can also use forums and online communities related to the offers niche. The goal is to drive as much traffic as possible to your affiliate link. Let's do some quick math to see how much you could potentially earn. If you drive 10 people to complete the offer in an hour, that's $287. If you scale this up and drive 100 people, you're looking at $875. The potential is enormous, especially if you optimize your ads and target the right audience. Generating traffic is the key to success with this method. Here are a few strategies to help you get started. First, use social media ads to target specific demographics. Second, leverage online communities and forums related to the offers niche. Third, consider using YouTube Shorts to create quick, engaging videos that drive traffic to your affiliate link. The more traffic you generate, the more money you'll make. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself making $30 every 10 minutes using Google Translate and CPA marketing? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to CoinCrafts, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. And if you're ready to start earning, check out the links in the description for all the tools and resources I used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.